Hey YouTube, Dawson Rider here with my sound demo for the DX Seiza Blaster. The bulk of the talking will happen right now. There won't be a ton of talking throughout the review, just little bits here and there. I just was going to say that this is my Kyutama collection, so if I'm missing anything, it's because I don't own it in my collection, but this is a solid to decently solid chunk of most of the main releases. I'm going to go over the Ranger-related ones first because they have more sounds that I want to go over, whereas with the sort of attack-based ones, it's basically just going to be the attack noise, because the only real difference is the way it says it and the fact that it can play the individual sound bites. At the very end, I will go over a couple of the ones I did in the review proper, but I don't want to retread too much ground, and the main review will be linked into this. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with Shishi. Alright. Sasori. Oh, there we go. Alright. Okami. Not the game. Alright. Tenbin. I think from now on I'm just going to do the Voyager because you get those attack individual sounds. I just kept thinking there was something different about the attack. So to save time, just regular and Voyager. Because you get the same noises. Okay. So you get that basic individual sound attack. It's just, there's differences, but like not enough to warrant wasting all that time with so many to go over. Alright, he beats guy again. Alright. Chameleon. Oh, I'm sorry. Chameleon. He separated it so much. All right. Okay, Kajiki. Okay, now we have Dragon, which I brought both of them in just for the look of it, but don't need them. Okay. Whoop. There we go. Alright, now Ho-Oh. Alright. And now Kerberos. Kerberos. The most generic noises possible. Alright, that does it for most of the main mecha ones there. Okay, I'm gonna get these quote-unquote specialist ones out first, mainly special because they're just in a different color. So I'm just doing the basics for these so you get the gist of it. Whoop, hate that. It's okay, Kyutama. And I suppose he should have been included with the Zords, but whatever. Right? And these are kind of in a loose order. I numbered them that I think they got out of order, but it doesn't really matter. You know, that's right. No, final answer. Did I just check that? It sounds like an alarm that's about to go off that just never continues. Wah, wah, wah. Home stretch here, guys. All right. That was pleasant. All right, then we all remember this one. All right. And just for final measure. Okay, so that one was a very feature-rich Kyutama, as we know. Anyway, very quickly last here, as shown in the review, you can use this. I'm just going to use the one side for the sake of this, though. It'll quiet down for it. Okay, but you get the picture. It's kind of like funky the way it works with it. And as I mentioned in the review, you can put this in here, obviously, and it'll work if you have it on. Mine's off right now, but it doesn't do anything, like, unique to this. Alright, but anyway, that's about it. Just let me know in the comments whether you want to see me do one giant video or separate it like I did for this one. But anyway, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's Dawson Ryder, signing out.